time no see. So soon I am going to go camping with few friends in URE National Forest. So I need to prepare the Jeep. Right now I have my passenger seat installed, so I need to take it out and install my bed platform so that I can reconvert the Jeep to my solo overlanding rig. So this is what I'm going to show you today. How I made my bed platform and how to install it. So let's get started. Okay, let me show you my starting point here. So right now, like I mentioned, I have my passenger seat in. So what I need to do is remove the seat, it's 4 bolts, and install this contraption here, and I'll show you exactly how I made it and what it's for. And this is the actual platform where I'm going to put my mattress on. Well, it's half of it. The other half is already in the back of the Jeep. So when I design this bed platform, what I wanted to do is to be able to easily remove it. So going from a 2-seater, just like you see right now, to a solo overlanding rig. With the bed platform here on the side, and this is where I sleep when I go in my trips. So let me show you and go over this box here before I take the seat out and install it and install the bed platform. So this is the box that will go in place of the passenger seat, and it looks pretty simple, just like a box, right? But it took me forever to make. Few reasons for that. First, I had to make sure that the footprint and the height and the width to install it instead of the passenger seat need to be perfect. So I did align perfectly with the bolt I have in the cab. Other reason is this is like metal, like scrap metal. That is welded, so I welded all that myself, so I had to learn how to weld, and so that was a project. So it turned out not too bad. It's pretty much squared off, so I was quite happy with that. The reason I have this kind of cavity here on the top, it's because this is on my earliest version of my bed platform. I would remove it every day and put it in a bag, right? So during the day, this would be next to me, and then I put a little recessed area here so I could put all my my phone, all my the gear that I use when I ride. But now that I converted to it's permanent in a Jeep when I go overlanding, then I don't really use that anymore, and it's covered by the platform there in the board, and you'll see it when I install it. Also, and I think you probably see that in some of my other video, I use this as a storage area, right? So I typically put all my clothes in there, and what I did, because it's metal, I make this cover, and I put like recessed magnet. I think I have 9 of them, those super strong magnet. And then when I want to close it, I'm gonna try to do that with one hand. Should work. That's it. It just sticks in place here, and then I can close it off, so it keeps the dust and out, and prevents everything I have in there to come out. So it's been working pretty well. Let me try to take it off. I just realized I lost 1 magnet here, but yeah, that's fine. I still have a bunch of other 8 more to hold the cover in place. All right. So this is the contraption I have. Recently, I think last year or 2 years ago, I did this one on the side. So this goes on the driver's side, and I use that. I call it my charging platform. So this is where I put when I charge all my camera batteries, drone batteries, all that. This is where I put everything here. So it's really handy. And in the back here at the bottom, underneath this top charging platform, I have my snack platform, I guess. I have like a little container here where I keep all my snack when I drive. So it's like a little box, so I can access these two level here while I'm driving without without looking. After a while, you just know where everything is. So it's been working pretty well. Always, I guess it needs a little bit of finishing work on that, but I don't know. It's just it is what it is. It works, so it's nothing. I'm not looking for fanciness here. So if it works, it works. That is it. So what I'm going to do now is take the passenger seat off and then install this contraption, my storage bed platform support, and you'll see how everything is going to work. Let's do it. So what I need to remove the passenger seat is a T50 Torx for the rear left bolt. It's bizarre, but there's one that's the different size than the other one. I'm not sure if it's stock. And then I need a 13 millimeter wrench. So let's do it. Okay, the front two are off. Let's go to the rear. And I remember I need a socket for the rear 13 millimeter bolt. Okay, this is out. Bolts are off. I can take the seat out. Without breaking my back. Okay, the seat is out. So now let's install the bed platform. Let's do it. This thing is super heavy. I definitely overbuilt it. I could have gone with smaller steel tube for sure, but that was scrap, so it was free. Okay, this is in. I think I need to move the carpet out of the way, and then I can reinstall the bolts, and that's it. Let's do it. So it is in and tight. It's harder to put the bolts back in than to remove them. My tolerances are very, very tight, so I don't have much play to make everything line up. But it's in now, it's tight, and this is the rear, and it is not going anywhere. So let's install the bed platform now on top of it, piece of plywood that I have. Let's do that. Okay, let me show you how it goes in. I mean, it's pretty simple. So this is all wood all around here, and this is my rear platform, so that stays in the Jeep at all time. I'm not taking that out ever. I mean, I did it once because I had some leak in my air system, so I had to redo all my fittings and all that, but so that's in. So the platform is going to go on this little lip here and on top of this square, and then I have 4 wood screws, so 2 in the rear and 2 in the front here to secure the piece of plywood, the bed platform on top of this. So the plywood I have is just like a 3-ply, cheapest plywood I could get, but it works. So I just cut it to size, and now I'm just gonna I'll put it in, but I'll need my 2 hands. Okay, so ideally it goes that way. Screws out, and get a few spiders out of the Jeep. Okay, it's lined up, so I'm just gonna use the screws and screw that down. Make sure that I have everything lined up before I start digging in. Okay, everything's lined up. I can tighten everything. Voila! And yeah, not going anywhere. And this is it. The platform is in. I have the two front screws here and the two in the back that I just installed. And this is the view of the bed platform. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to get my mattress set up, and then I'm going to put everything in the Jeep. So let me show you the mattress I have here. So here's the my mattress setup. First time when I started to overland and convert the Jeep, I used an air mattress, and it was really bad. You know, it was on the wood platform, another one, but it was so noisy. You know, you move a little bit and you could hear the it would just make too much noise. So then I went with I bought like this foam mattress, and it was okay, much better. I think it's a 3-inch foam mattress, and it was good, but I could feel the platform underneath. So I knew I needed more thickness. So then what I did, I bought this 2-inch memory foam mattress that I put on top. So this is my setup now, and it is the best bed ever. I mean, it is super comfortable. You know, I got the spring action from the foam here underneath, and then you know the I don't know, the cushion and the soft mattress from the memory foam. So really love this setup. The only downside I would say is when it gets cold, all those memory foam mattress, or at least the one I have, they get really hard. So when it's freezing out there or below freezing, this becomes really hard. So when you step in in bed, it's you have to wait until your body temperature warm up the mattress, and then it start to get comfortable. But that's the only downside that I see with that. Same thing with the pillow. I have a memory foam pillow, but I don't take that anymore because again, same thing, when it gets cold, it's really hard. So I go with a regular pillow. So I'm gonna put my the bed sheet on top of it now, and then I'll put everything in a Jeep. So this is the bed sheet, the fitted sheet, and this is a cover that I put underneath. Just gives an extra protection, especially when I sleep in the Jeep during the summer and it's hot and sweaty and all that. So just protect the mattress a little more. And yes, I made these fitted bed sheet, if you may ask, watching some YouTube video. There's some really good content on YouTube. Okay, it's ready to go in a Jeep. Yeah, so in order to slide the mattress in, I have to open the rear window and slide it from the rear here. So let me open all that. So I had a hard time to get the zippers down with all the dust. They're really hard to open now, so I need to wax them. It helps, but for now I just spray some water on them, and it was easier to remove. I'm always afraid they're gonna rip, and then I'm screwed. So anyway, it's up. And let's put the mattress in. And that's it. Ready to sleep. So yeah, that's it. Mattress is in. You can close the rear window here, and here you have it. Went from my two-seater Jeep to my solo overlanding rig. So I put my head, when I sleep, I put my head here to the front just to get more protection here from the glass. So now I just need to put my pillow cover and all that, and load the Jeep for my upcoming camping trip. There you go. Easy access to the storage compartment underneath. And this is it for this video. Bed platform and bed is in, or mattress I should say. So now I just need to load the Jeep and I'll be ready to go. So thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, write them down below, and I will see you in the next video. Cheers!